What's up everybody, Time45 here, and we are back with another unboxing video. And today we got a huge Supreme box from DANTHEMANDOTCOM at MRE Info. If you're part of MRE Info, hit this guy up. He has some really cool mystery boxes and he really works with you. I like this guy. Definitely gonna buy from him again. So Dan the Man, you are the man. Let's get this thing open. Alright guys, so here's the package right here, and right here it says WGT 14. So I'm guessing this thing weighs 14 pounds. This is a pretty hefty box, and I'm ecstatic to open this thing up. I'm so excited because I know one thing he put in here, and they are muffins that Steve 1989 from MRE Info gave to him. He's a huge YouTuber. I love his videos and all that, and I'm excited to have something by that guy. He's one of the reasons why I started making ration videos. So let's get this thing open. Sweet. Seeing the first thing in here, guys. Got a British 24 menu 11. Sweet. He was online. This thing is literally jam-packed to the brim. Let's see what we got. Whoa, dude. So much stuff. Actually, I'm gonna dump everything out and we're gonna go one by one.
There's more.
Alright guys, so I'm pretty excited right now. First thing we got here is a cold weather MRE, which is the breakfast skillet, and I actually was going to buy this ration, and everybody is always sold out of breakfast skillet, so I'm pretty psyched to have this one. Next cold weather ration is menu number 4, turkey Tetrazzini. I don't even know what the heck turkey Tetrazzini is. What is Tetrazzini? Guess we'll find out. We have 2 great taste white coffee mixes. White coffee? I don't know if I've ever had white coffee. These look pretty good. Here's our British 24-hour ration pack, menu number 11. I don't know at the top of my head what's inside this ration, but we will definitely be making a video on this one. Actually, everything in this box there will be a video. I got you, Dan the Man. We got one, but not just one. We have 2 24-hour First-Strike Rations. I've never had a First-Strike ration, and these are 24-hour ones. Got menu 1 and 3. And actually on the back it tells you what's in it. Whoa. That's pretty neat. We got, let me get this focused. Filled French toast sandwich, bacon cheddar sandwich. Ooh, that sounds good. Bacon cheddar sandwich. Pepperoni, applesauce, cinnamon cheese spread, jalapeno, snack bread, peanut butter, Fassar chocolate snack, pretzels, nut fruit mix type 2 chocolate protein drink, beverage 1 beef snack, teriyaki, barbecue, caffeinated gum, cinnamon. Dude, I'm looking this up. This looks good. Just with the French toast sandwich and the bacon cheddar sandwich. Dude, that sounds good. Menu 3. Sandwich honey barbecue beef. That sounds good. Tuna lemon pepper. Not a huge fan of tuna, but I will still eat it. Applesauce, cheese spread, plain cake, lemon poppy seed, tortillas, crackers, chocolate dessert. There's a chocolate banana nut, FSR mocha, corn kernels, mayonnaise, hot sauce, beverages 2, and caffeine mint gum, I think. That's pretty sweet. First-Strike, 2 of them. 2 First-Strike 24-hour rations. It's going to be exciting to try these ones. Got a Crowbar Meal Super Fruit Slam. I've never had one of these. Actually, looks pretty good. Kind of want to eat this right now, which I probably will after the video. Can't help myself. It looks pretty good. Here's the real treasure piece of the ration, this maple muffin top. And this is actually one of the things that Steve 1989 sent to Dan the Man. And he gave me one of them, and I'm actually honored to have this. As weird as that sounds. If you guys are a ration connoisseur like myself, you guys definitely know who Steve 1989 at MRE Info is. We got a pepperoni pizza with cheese and sauce. I think I had one of these before from Black Dog Bob in his pizza ration he made. But I definitely want to give it another try because these are actually hard to get your hands on, these pepperoni pizza rations. And definitely want to give one of these another try. Right here we got a cinnamon bun, shelf stable. I haven't had a cinnamon bun in forever. Oh man, this stuff is so tempting to open up right now. Alright guys, and Dan the Man, he's from Alaska. So he sent me some stuff that you can pretty much only get in Alaska, and I am thrilled to have this stuff. It is so cool. We got Indian Valley Alaskan reindeer chunked in gravy. This is going to make an awesome video, this Alaskan stuff he sent me. It's just really neat to have this stuff. There's the outside of the can. It's all reindeer meat. I've never had reindeer meat. You can hear it too. Here we got Indian Valley, Alaska, Alaska-made jerky with reindeer meat chopped formed. So we got some reindeer jerky. Oh man. You're killing me. I have to wait to eat this stuff and do a video on it. I want to crack it open now and eat it. Ah man. And last, he sent a Eula knife, Alaskan, in display case or display stand. But this is sweet. I really like this stuff. Did good. Alright guys, so I opened up that mystery box from DANTHEMANDOTCOM from MRE Info. Check him out. Give him some support. Buy some stuff off of him. You won't be disappointed. I got two 24-hour First-Strike Rations. Never had them before. Two cold weather rations. I've had one spaghetti one before, but these are two different ones I have. Got a British 24-hour ration. I got a muffin from Steve 1989. Come on, that's cool. I got two coffees. I got all that reindeer in the can and the jerky and that sweet Eula knife. That thing is pretty cool, not gonna lie. And there was a couple other things. There was that fruit bar, the pepperoni pizza, and the cinnamon bun. I think that's it. But I definitely was worth every penny. You can't get a better deal on what I got on that. I think I paid $100. No, we'll let you decide that between you and Dan. If you ever plan on buying anything, check him out. Definitely give him some support. He needs it, and he's a cool guy. He'll work with you. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button. It really helps me out. And don't forget to subscribe. It really lets me know that you're enjoying these videos, and I'll continue to make them. Till next time guys, peace out.